Hi, today we're here at Avon Lake and we're awarding the Ford Ohio Assembly Plant with a Gold Level Encouraging Environmental Excellence Award.
This is the Ford Motor Company Ohio Assembly Plant located in Lorain County, Ohio. We primarily produce commercial vehicles including the E-Series, the medium-duty truck, and the front end of the Super Duties.
The Gold Level Excellence Award for the E3 program is really for our top performers who not only achieve environmental compliance and have a good track record of compliance, but they go above and beyond by implementing practices that are sustainable.
We use water saver technology by Nalco, and we reduced overall water from about 195 million gallons in 2012 to about 64 million this year. For our medium-duty truck, we have a frame build-up, and in between those frames we have wood blocks. They're about 7 pounds a piece, about 21 pounds a unit. Basically, we worked with the supplier to reduce or change those blocks so they went from a non-recyclable product to a recyclable product, and it reduced about 30% of our total landfill.